don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mackenzie 1. I'm joined by Umenier Otiski.
Suppose.
Feeling
Great.
I'm 9.
Hey, shubile ngabande.
Yeah. It's cold.
Okay, sivale season today ne.
Yeah.
Okay. Yakhumbula last game yethu la eOrlando ngekhethe sikwi pre-season ne.
Yeah.
Ses prepare for a season le elandelayo.
Yeah.
Okay, ake siqale la Sipho. Ukuze udominate i-league okanye ukuze uwine i-league.
Yeah.
Udinga lezi zinto eziyi4 ne. Number 1, udinga ama-player ane-experience. 2, number 2, udinga ama-player ayi-quality. 3, udinga a proper development.
4,
and then uma sesiya kule yes4 yokugcina kumele ukwazi ukrotate i-squad sakho ne. Experience plus quality plus i-proper development plus i-player rotation ne. I-experience Sibo ikusiza ekuthenini ube nabantu abazolida i-team ne. Bekwazi ukuguide intwana ezincane lezi development right. And then i-quality yakusiza ekuthenini udominate. If une quality uyadominate. I-development iyakusiza ngokuthi igaya imlenze fresh okanye igaya i-energy. Because remember abantu asebene experience i-energy iyashota nyana, so you need development for lezo zinto lezo. Bukai energy ne. And then i-player rotation ikusiza kuphi? Ikusiza ekuthenini u-avoid ama gap between ama players akho in terms of match fitness.
Yes.
In case kuba nama injuries abakhona. If u rotate ama player uyakhona nokuthi uthatha amanye ama player uwafake fike fit because awekho behind nge match fitness ne. Alright, asibuyele lana ke Sipho. Ake sicheke kulama season lawa yi3 lawe sibe nawo under coach wethu ne. Thina into esibe nayo kulama season ayi3 sibe ne quality plus i-development. Remember ngithe izinto zingaki zi4. Thina sibe nezingaki ezi2. It's quality plus development. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza uzothi hey usho kanjani ukuthi Pirates ine quality? Sibo asibuyele la. Akwazi ukuthi kuma season ayi3 uwina ama cup ayi5 bese uthi leyo team ayina quality.
That's true.
Which means then ikutshela ukuthini you have quality, especially if udlala ngani ngama player abuya na kwi development. Lento iyakutshela une development enjani eproper ne. Iyakutshela ukuthi une quality because kuma season ayi3 ukwazi ukuwina ama cup ayi5 you have quality. Kuma season ayi3 if ukwazi ukuqeda kwi league uzama ukuchallenge i-team njenge Sundowns uqede ku position 2 kayi3 landelana iyakutshela ngequality yani ye team. Again ukuqeda kwi semi-final ye-Champions League leyo nto le iyakutshela ukuthini you have quality. Akusinoma ubani ufika lapha ngalesa stage, you understand? Ukutshela ngani ngequality. And if uthi uyacheka usebenzisa development umfukeng ube namagoli ayi4 unkotho aba namagoli ayi4 i-development leyo, you understand? Size kwi i-league njengoba bese ngisho isiqede sawu number 2 i-MTN 8 sayithatha kayi3 kulandelana. Ikutshela ngani? Ikutshela ngequality. Angeke uyenze lonto if ungenayo quality.
Ayinjalo.
Size kwi-Nedbank, i-Nedbank sithatheka yi2 kulandelana kwi final sashayeka ne. Remember ngithe sinezinto ezingaki i-Pirates izinto eziyi2 it's quality plus development. Sishote ngani Sithibo? Sishote nge-experience, sashoda ne-player rotation. Ake sicheke la ukuthi why ngithi sishote nge-experience. If unama player ne-experience let us say lesi season siqeda so number 2 ama player experience asophusha ukuthi next season size njani siwin i-league.
Yes.
If uthi ayishaya siyaphusha nokwesithathu uswine i-league. We tried but kwangenzeka ne. Iyakutshela lonto ukuthi besileka i-experience ne. Sibuyele kwi-Champions League. Champions League siphushile saphusha. sashawa win kwi-semi final leya game leyana sayingawini sishawe experience ahlulwa ukumanage yini ukumanage game, you understand? So lento so which means now i-experience ayikho kwahamba kwamba sashawe i-player rotation. Ileague uma isiqhubeka ubonile ukuthi amanye ama-player besedonseka imlenze ingasavumi because from the start ye-season asirotatanga ama-player ngendlela efanele siwarotate ngayo. So going to le season le esiya kuyona now, I hope okanye before ngifike kule season esiya kuyona again iNedbank, uma uthi uya-check iNedbank, the reason why silose iNedbank, remember sifike saphuma kwi-Champions League kwi-semi-final, leyo nto yawashaya ama-player psychological. Next game sadlala neSikhukhune, we lost against iSikhukhune la eOrlando, and then saya kwi-final yani ye-Nedbank ne. So if kuthi unama-player ne-experience, if unama-player ne-experience uzosuka azokhona ukuthi esisuke kuleya nto leya ukuthi sidlule siluze kwi-final ye-Champions League, saluza kwi-Sikhukhune, plus no coach ukuthi uyahamba lento psychological njani ibashayile. So yabona i-experience uyidingela lezo zinto. So hopefully kuma signings esowenza, I hope we add maybe ama-player i4 ane-experience so that sizokhona ukuthi sivale leya gap because we had equality plus development. I also hope ucoach olandelayo uzokhona ukuthi rotate isquad sakhe so that sizovala ama-gap match fitness kuma-player in case kuba khona ama-injuries. Sengiyivala Sithipho, asibuyeleni lana-ke si-check-e lezi zinto eziyi-4 ukuthi lezi engikhuluma ngazo ukuthi ziyiqiniso ngempela yini. Asi-check-eni i-Sundowns, goalkeeper wabo ande-experience, bano-Williams, banomdawu, banomdiba, banolibusa, banokekana, banomkwena, banoshalulile, bano-Reyners, banothapelo mrele. Experience leyo. Size kwi-quality, remember ngithe khona ne-quality, kuno-Adams, kuno-Allende, kuno-Costa, kuno-Matthews, equality leyo ibuyela nakuphi nakulama-player ade ngiwabala experience. If sesibheka kwi-development abokhoza uma bedinga benze njani bayeza bezovala lawo ma-gap lawo, and then i-squad rotation bathopho ngaso. Thank you.
Thank you, man.